Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best anchor kit is probably one of the most underappreciated tools, until you actually need one. Whether you're securing a boat, setting up a construction site, or just need something to keep your stuff in place, an anchor kit is your go-to solution. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of anchor kits, exploring their components, uses, and what to consider before making your purchase. Number 5. Gray Bunny Shed Anchor Kit 8PK, 15. Are you worried about your shed being blown away by the wind? This anchor kit is designed to keep it firmly in place. It provides a reliable solution to secure your outdoor structures. This kit includes everything you need for easy installation. It comes with a metal torque bar, a long rope, and a convenient carrying sack. It's a complete package for your anchoring needs. The kit features 3 wide helix ground anchors. They are built to withstand tough conditions. This ensures that it will provide long-lasting stability for your shed or other items. This kit isn't just for sheds, it's also great for camping, tents, and more. You can use it to secure various outdoor items. It offers a versatile solution for different situations. The anchors are designed for easy installation. The included torque bar helps you quickly and securely set them in the ground. You'll have your items secured in no time. What we like. This kit includes a metal torque bar, making installation a breeze. The heavy-duty helix anchors provide a secure hold in various ground conditions. If you have a shed, tent, or trampoline, this kit is perfect for ensuring stability and preventing movement during windy conditions. It's designed for easy setup and reliable performance, making it ideal for anyone needing a secure anchoring solution. What people say. The anchors worked flawlessly, although correct preparation was key. Extremely good construction. The steel used is thick and the welds are very well done. They run all around the eyelet and spiral. These held up to the wind and precipitation, and the trees are standing perfectly tall. Number 4. MarineNow 13 pounds Fluke Anchor Kit for 20 to 32 foot boats. This kit includes everything you need for anchoring. It's designed for boats ranging from 20 to 32 feet. It provides a secure and reliable anchoring solution. The anchor itself is hot-dip galvanized for superior corrosion resistance. It weighs 13 pounds, making it suitable for larger boats. This ensures it will last for years to come. The kit comes with 98 feet of durable anchor line. It's a 3-strand rope with a stainless steel thimble. This provides plenty of length for various anchoring depths. Included is 6.5 feet of hot-dipped galvanized chain. Also included are 2 3/8-inch shackles. These components add strength and security to the anchoring system. The anchor measures 24.5 inches tall, 18 inches wide, and 6 inches deep. This design ensures effective holding power on the seabed. It's a robust and reliable choice for boaters. What we like. This kit features a hot-dip galvanized anchor, offering superior corrosion resistance. It comes complete with a chain, rope, and shackles, providing everything you need. If you own a boat, especially one between 20 and 32 feet, this kit is a great choice for reliable anchoring in marine environments. The included components ensure a secure and lasting hold. What people say. Purchased 13 pounds to anchor my Sportsman Masters 207, holds the boat with no issues and all conditions. Coating of the anchor is holding up great, both fresh and saltwater usage. Would recommend for any boater, such a great package and very heavy. Comes with everything. Does exactly what it's supposed to do, anchor the boat. Number 3. Better Boat Heavy Duty Anchor Kit. This heavy-duty boat anchor kit is all-inclusive. It comes with a galvanized steel Fluke anchor, a chain with bow shackles, and a nylon rope with a stainless steel eyelet. It has everything you need to secure your boat. This anchor kit is ideal for boats ranging from 15 to 24 feet. It works well on various seafloors and is suitable for pontoon boats, deck boats, and sailboats. It's a versatile solution for your boating needs. The Fluke-style anchor is well made with high tensile strength. It provides outstanding stability and superior digging performance. The weighted chain helps the shank dig into the sand and mud, holding your boat firmly in place. This anchor set is perfect for both fresh and saltwater environments. The steel Fluke anchor and chain are galvanized for maximum corrosion protection. The included rope is made of durable nylon with stainless steel eyelets. Better Boat is a family-owned American business committed to premium quality and customer satisfaction. They stand behind the quality of their products and provide excellent customer service. Choose them for a reliable and secure boating experience. What we like. This kit features a heavy-duty Fluke design for excellent stability. It includes a chain and rope set, ready for immediate use. If you have a boat between 15 and 24 feet, this kit is designed to keep your boat secure. The Fluke design ensures a firm grip on various seafloors, providing peace of mind. What people say. The chain alone is really impressive. I have a heavy 25-foot boat with a cabin and this anchor worked perfect in deep water with a strong current. Good size for my 22-foot center console. Holds the boat very good in a stiff breeze and chop. The 8-foot chain is a big plus with the 100 of road. Holds a 23-foot pontoon long rope and chain. Number 2. Gray Bunny Shed Anchor Kit 8 PK, 15. Are you worried about your shed in high winds? This anchor kit is designed to keep it secure. It's easy to use and provides heavy-duty protection. Installation is a breeze. You can easily install it with a drill. This kit includes everything you need for a quick setup. Not just for sheds, this kit is also perfect for trampolines. It provides a stable base, keeping it grounded. It's a versatile solution for various outdoor needs. This kit offers high wind protection. The 15 earth anchors are designed to withstand strong gusts. It gives you peace of mind during storms. These 3 wide helix ground anchors are built to last. They are perfect for camping, tents, and sheds. They provide a strong and reliable hold. What we like. This kit offers easy drill-in installation, saving you time and effort. The anchors are designed for high wind resistance, ensuring your structures stay put. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install anchoring solution for sheds, tents, or trampolines, this kit is the perfect choice. It provides a secure hold with minimal effort. What people say. The anchor kit is well designed and functions as expected. The product works great and is easy to use. The anchor kit is a great product with all the necessary components. Number 1. XDP Recreation Metal Ground Anchor Kit. Introducing the XDP Recreation Ground Anchor Kit. This kit is designed to keep your outdoor playsets and furniture safely in place. It provides stability and peace of mind. This kit is perfect for swing sets, trampolines, and patio furniture. It's a reliable solution to prevent tipping or movement during use or in windy conditions. Forget about messy concrete. This ground anchor kit allows you to secure your metal frame playset directly into the ground. It's a simple and effective way to enhance safety. The kit includes 4 12.75-inch auger-style ground anchors and all necessary attachment hardware. This ensures a strong and lasting hold for your outdoor equipment. The kit is compatible with all XDP recreation swing sets and many other models with 2-inch diameter tubing. Installation directions are included, making setup straightforward. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for swing sets, trampolines, and patio furniture. It is easy to install, providing a secure and stable base. If you have a playset or outdoor furniture, this kit will prevent tipping or blowing over during strong winds. It is a great choice for families with children, ensuring safety and peace of mind. What people say. Heavy duty. Worked great with the swing set we ordered. This set is designed to be used with the round metal style swing set legs. I actually needed something to secure a small wooden playscape and thought I would give this a try. It really worked out well. The metal straps and chains were easy to manipulate to conform to the square wooded legs, and this anchor set had the flexibility to allow me to adjust things as needed. We have very hard and rocky soil in our yard, but the anchors went into the ground surprisingly easy and are holding very tightly in the ground. Sturdy and reliable. These anchors were easy to install and held up perfectly. Great quality for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.